Today we are in Saskatchewan, Canada. WTA and Safari River Outfitters have invited Ruff Tuff up to do installs and see the country and see the operation.
They're excited to get these on because they really needed new covers on their vehicles.
So we are on the Beaver River, a beautiful setting in the background at Lakeside Camp here at Safari River. To see everything that these vehicles go through, the amount of wear and tear that is put on equipment is just incredible.
These Ruff Tuff seat covers will give them a whole new look, a whole new sophistication, and the guides and the owners have just been thrilled to have this new look on their vehicles. It's really helpful for them. They were so beat up. Some of them were just ripped to shreds on the side. Some of them had mud caked on, no kidding, like an inch thick. They really needed some facelift on them, I'd say.
To have a product like Ruff Tuff to help protect these vehicles and also provide an inviting experience for their clients, it's just a great fit for Safari River and Ruff Tuff. There's only one seat cover brand that can stand up to this kind of use and abuse, and that's Ruff Tuff seat covers.
Down to the river.